not the swear words on my Christian stream.
La 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 la. You just got back from school. That's good. That's good. You get that education. Go get that. Don't do drug, kids. Don't do cocaine. Don't buy Mexican Sprites that have cocaine inside of them, and don't drink them. Don't do that. You broke your Chromebook. That's crazy. Wait, they have... Yeah, the Mexican one. The Mexican one has cocaine. You didn't hear that from me. Yeah, make a note of that. Bro, how do I go there? You're about to get clapped by civilians. Well, what if I clap them first? How about that? How about that? What am I supposed to do with this entire case of Sprite now? You should give it to me. Yeah. I can be your trash can for the Mexican Sprite. It's the only type of Sprite I like. I think you guys are not telling me where to go on purpose because you like me doing random stuff. Beepin', boopin', and blappin'. Imagine being her superior officer and hearing this over comms. I'm a space cowboy. That's what I am. We're here! We have arrived at our destination. My hair grew out. No!